Now next we have to develop a relation between electric current and drift velocity. So for that, let us consider again a conductor. And this conductor is supplied with a potential difference B, so that the electric field along the direction is E. Let the length of the conductor is L. Drift velocity of the electron is Vd, which will be opposite to the field towards the positive terminal of the battery, higher voltage. Let the number of free electrons in unit volume of conductor be small n, means this is called free electron density. Then the total, let the area of cross section of this conductor is A. Therefore, total number of free electrons in this conductor we have considered will be equal to total number of conductor will be number of free electron will be number in unit volume small n into volume of the conductor. Volume of the conductor is area of cross section into length. Therefore, total charge which is flowing, in t second, let the total charge crosses from ind y to index in t second. The total charge flowing in t second, that will be q is equal to total number of electron into charge on one electron. Therefore, electric current I will be charge flowing per second. This charge is flowing in t second. Therefore, put the value q is equal to, now this is the value of q, NALE upon T. So this is the electric current I, Q upon T. Now this L upon T, length moved by electron in T second. This is the drift velocity. According to the definition, drift velocity is L upon T. So therefore, in the above relation, if we put L upon T as Vd, then this is NA Vd into E. So this is the relation between current and drift velocity. That is free electron density, area of cross section of the conductor, drift velocity Vd, and the charge on each electron. So this is the famous relation between current and drift velocity. So near here, let us understand one more term, that is mobility. And this mobility is defined as drift velocity per unit field. Now in terms of field, we have calculated drift velocity as small e, capital E, tau upon m. Vd was small e, capital E, tau upon mass of the electron. Therefore, mobility of electron comes out to be minus E capital E tau upon M upon capital E. Now this is capital E, so capital E cancels out. So this is minus E tau upon M. So this is the mobility. Now another important term which should be considered in mind, that is current density. We denote it by J, and this is nothing but current flowing through the area perpendicular to it. So we have defined current in a particular direction, current through any cross section, unit cross section, current through unit cross section perpendicular to it. So we have assigned direction, so current density becomes a vector quantity. So the above relation in terms of current density will be equal to J is equal to NEVD E upon A. NAVD upon A. So this A cancels out. We are left with NVD into E. So this is the current density relation for current density.